Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn the basics of geometry. Quick question for you. Have you ever tried solving a math problem that looked simple at first, but then turned into a mini brain workout? Well, today's problem is exactly one of those. We've got a circle, and inside it, a triangle. Two sides of this triangle are equal, each measuring 5 units, and the base is different. Our goal is to find the radius of the circle. Sounds simple, right? But wait, don't grab a calculator yet. We're going to solve it step by step. And yes, I promise, this method is one of the easiest. So let's begin. Suppose this is our triangle, ABC. From point A, we drop a perpendicular down to side BC. Let's call that point D. Now, because the triangle is symmetric, this perpendicular cuts side BC into two equal halves. Since side BC is 6 units long, both BD and DC are 3 units each. Now, let's find the length of AD, the perpendicular. Here's a quick question. Do you remember the Pythagorean theorem? Or did it vanish from your memory right after exams? Don't worry, we'll use it together. In triangle ABD, the square of the hypotenuse, AB, is equal to the sum of the square of the base, BD, and the square of the perpendicular, AD. Substituting values, AB is 5 units, so 5 squared equals 3 squared plus AD squared. That gives us 25 equals 9 plus AD squared. Subtracting 9, we get AD squared equals 16. Taking the square root, AD equals 4 units. Perfect. Now let's extend this perpendicular AD until it meets the circle at point E. Since AD divides side BC into equal parts, this line must pass through the center of the circle. Let's call the center O. Here comes the chord rule. It states that if two chords intersect in a circle, then the product of the two segments of one chord equals the product of the two segments of the other chord. In our case, chords AE and BC intersect. So AD multiplied by DE equals BD multiplied by DC. We know AD is 4 units, BD is 3 units, and DC is also 3 units. So 4 times DE equals 9. Solving this, DE equals 9 over 4 units. Now, AE is the diameter of the circle. AE equals AD plus DE, which is 4 plus 9 over 4. That equals 25 over 4 units. The radius is half the diameter. So we divide 25 over 4 by 2, which gives us 25 over 8. Numerically, that's about 3.125 units. So after all this neat geometry, the radius of our circle is 3.125 units. Now, let me ask you this. Was that easier than you expected? Or do you feel like the circle tricked us just a little? Either way, if you enjoyed this step-by-step breakdown and want more math explained clearly with a bit of fun, make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll never miss out on solving cool geometry puzzles together. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you in the next one.